Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to do slipstream installation of SQL Server 2017. I want to sync with my real-time experience that one of my customer asked me to install SQL Server 2017 and 19 and update with the latest patches. So if you see here, from 2017 onwards, there is no service packs and only cumulative updates are there. So today this article is limited to SQL Server 2017. So what means if we go and install SQL Server, it will take around 30 to 45 minutes. After that, when you are going to install the patch, so it will ask the reboot the server. Again, it will take 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the server. Okay, after that again you have to install again it will take. So in the I mean I am we are dealing with 30 to we are dealing for 30 to 40 clients. Okay, so I cannot spend more than I mean I cannot spend more time, which is almost 2 hours I'm spending on this client on this task. So yeah, I need to spend give some time for other clients as well. So it is not possible to do to install SQL Server at one time and see you another time. So I want to club those three. This method is called as slipstream installation. Okay, so now we are going to do that. Okay, once you have SQL Server 2017 RTM edition or whatever the latest version. Okay, so right now I'm having this service pack. Right click on that. So click on extract to this one, and again just you need that extract for server setup files. Okay, so so currently see we are having SQL Server cumulative of the 31. So I already installed this patch. Okay, so now go to this patch, create one folder like any name, like as simple I am dating updates. Okay, so here I am just copying and moving that file to the updates folder. Now open this window, press shift button and right click on that. Okay, you will get open command line. Right now I am having SQL Server PowerShell window, so that's the reason what I am going to do. So now simply I am copying this one and I am moving to wait, so this folder it, why? Because for navigation purpose it will be very easy for us. Okay, why? Because if I go to this window, I mean it will be very less. So now I have copied to the Jira. Any drive, no, not drive, no, that is not important. Just type CMD, open, run as administrator. So now you have now you are type CD and just here come down CD and number G. Okay, okay. Just press button, press enter. Okay, now so this is the where the executable files are there. So now you need to type the command. So no need to worry. Setup.exe, setup.exe. Give some space. Forward slash. Type action is equal to install. Okay. Give some space. Forward slash. Okay. Update enabled is equal to true. Give some space again. Slash. So now need to give where is the update. So update source is equal to, so inverted comma, dot, backward slash, updates folder. Update, right? What is that? Update folder, inverted double quotes. So you need to give this command. So once you to give that, press enter. So the you have to wait, the pop-up will get appeared. So here you need to select the key. Right now I'm going with evolution. Click next, click next, next. So here it is going to fix that. Okay. So if we don't have, we through internet the file is get downloaded and it will be headache. Okay for us. So when we example see here one update 500 MB for G SQL Server and slash update folder. So it is taking the update from this folder. Okay. Next. So press next. So just now I'm doing for demo purpose, right? So I'm selecting database is enough for me. Okay. So click next. Yeah. So give any name. SQL Server 2017 December. Just so uh, installation got successful. Okay. So just close this. Uh, Open SSM window. Click connect. Come here. Browse for more. Download. Select the instance what the newly installed SQL Server. Click new query. Here select @ version. So here you are able to see. So we have installed SQL Server latest version with CU31. So this is how you need to do slipstream SQL Server installation. So by doing this, we can reduce the time spent on this activity. So we can spend more time on other clients on other issues as well, or we can say take some break. So the advantage of this, you can say that you are going to install SQL Server and it will take after you can add more billing instead of you are going to work for 1 hour but you are going to do 2 hours billing on this ticket. So and 1 hour you can take the some break like so many advantages you have when you are working as a DBA by this slipstream installation. Okay, I hope you may like this video. I am going to give the command in the description box. You can just copy and you can work the same. And if this video really helps you, just share your experience in the comment box. Thank you.